Hello everyone, here are the latest market news on August 5th, 2020. Disney posts loss, only streaming service grows. During COVID-19 pandemic, Walt Disney Co. was forced to paralyze its theme parks, live productions, and cruise line. Wherefore, the company relied on its direct-to-consumer service even more. Disney unveiled weak financial results, including a quarterly loss of nearly $5 billion due to coronavirus and long-term depreciation of its European linear television channels. The only segment in the media empire to grow amid the pandemic was Disney+, the company's streaming service that launched late last year and has already grown to more than 60 million subscribers. After detailing this data, new Disney chief executive Bob Chapek outlined a plan according to which the company will premiere its long-delayed Mulan live-action feature on Disney+ as a pay-per-view option for $30 on September the 4th and launch a new streaming service overseas. Disney was also released the big-budget feature in theaters in countries where the facilities are open and charge a similar price in other countries. European shares rise amid firms' gains, BMW falls. European stock markets climbed on Wednesday as strong companies' earnings reports overshadowed concerns about the surge in coronavirus cases in Europe and the United States. The Pan-European Stoxx 600 index rose 0.7%, with the oil and gas sector leading gains after BP extended gains for a second day. Ahold Delhaize NV, a major operator of supermarket chains in the United States and Europe, surged 5% due to increasing sales outlook for 2020, while Vonovia, a German residential real estate company, jumped 2.9% as it announced an 8% rise in first-half core profits and confirmed its guidance for the year. However, German producer of luxury vehicles and motorcycles BMW lost 3% as lockdowns pushed the car maker to a second-quarter operating loss of €230 million, $271.5 million, as deliveries of luxury cars fell by 25% during the period. Italy's services and manufacturing recover in July. Italy's services activity recovered its growth in July following the easing of tight coronavirus lockdown measures, with business operations up for the first time since February when the pandemic hit. The IHS Markit Business Activity Index for services rose to 51.6 from 46.4 in June, climbing about the 50 mark that separates growth from contraction for the first time in 5 months. The improved picture in the services sector follows IHS Markit's survey for manufacturing on Monday, which showed factory activity rebounding to its highest level in 2 years after the lockdown began to ease in May. The Composite Purchasing Managers Index for services and manufacturing jumped to 52.5 in July from 47.6 in June, showing the quickest expansion in private sector output since July 2018. U.S. prepares highest-level visit to Taiwan. The U.S. Health Secretary Alex Azar will lead a delegation to Taiwan in the highest-level visit since 1979 to discuss the coronavirus pandemic and celebrate the shared values of the two democracies. However, this move likely to anger China, which claims Taiwan as its own and vows it will be brought under control by force if necessary. Azar said he would be the first cabinet member to visit in 6 years in the most significant trip there since the U.S. formally cut diplomatic ties decades ago to pursue relations with the Chinese Communist Party. Taiwan said the visit would take place in the coming days.